In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split text with Textsplit in Excel. This is a simple way to take a full name or any text string in one cell, split it into parts, and automatically spill the results into multiple cells. To follow along, you will want an Excel sheet that already has the text you want to split. First, you will type the column headers so you can clearly see what each column will contain. Type full name into cell A1, first name into cell B1, and last name into cell C1. Take a moment to look at the sheet after you enter these headings, because clear headers make it much easier to understand the output that comes next. Now you will add the names you want to split. Type John Smith into cell A2, Jane Doe into A3, and Alex Jones into A4. As you do this, make sure each full name is placed in the full name column, meaning the values should all go in column A on rows 2, 3, and 4. This setup is what Textsplit will read from. Next, you will move your attention to the area where the split results will appear. Click on cell B2 to select your text splitting output cell. This is important because when you use the formula, Excel will place the split parts starting at the selected cell and then spill into the next cells automatically. With cell B2 selected, you will enter the formula that performs the splitting. Type the formula =Textsplit A2 directly into cell B2. After you type it, you will notice that the formula references A2, which is where the full name is located, and it uses a single space in quotes as the separator. That space is what tells Excel where the text should be divided between first and last name. Press the Enter key to spill the split text into cells B2 and C2. When you press Enter, Excel will automatically place the first part in B2 and the second part in C2, without you needing to copy or manually type each value. If everything is correct, you will see the first name in the middle column and the last name in the right column for that first row. After the first split works, you will apply the same approach to the next row. Click on cell B3 to split the next row name. This step keeps the process consistent because you are telling Excel to start the output again in the correct place for the following input. Now you will type the text split formula for the second input row. Type the formula =Textsplit A3 directly into cell B3. Notice again that the reference changes from A2 to A3. This is what makes Excel read Jane Doe from the full name column and then split it using the space between the first and last name. Press the Enter key to complete the second row data extraction. Once you press Enter, Excel will spill the split results into the cells next to B3, filling the first name and last name columns for that row. At this point, your table should clearly show which part is the first name and which part is the last name, all generated automatically from the original full name. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.